Hey, YouTube, what's up? I'm not sure which one I'm gonna upload because this is my second Helmet Cam test, and the last one with quality for my voice was weird, and this time I'm gonna try and talk a little lower and see what I should do, and I don't know if I should take out the audio and maybe record it with my computer and put it on there and switch it all up and you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I'll show you some of the spots in the winter, what happened, and I'll show you the one that just happened when I took it out. Because I made my video down here, my first one, my review of it up in my 4-wheeler. Right around here is where I just pretty much crashed it. And he was get up there on his bike. And somewhere over there I crashed my snowmobile. And we go around here in the summer, just riding around, and just going around here. Just took up my sister around here today. Right here is where I made my review on my 4-wheeler, and right up here is where I crashed my snowmobile. But my sound was fine. So I guess I'm gonna go YouTube and see. Okay, I'm gonna see you later.